Hey everyone, welcome back to Money Making Mel. Today we're diving into the world of AI coding projects and how you can turn your passion for tech into profit. Whether you're a seasoned coder or just starting out, this guide will show you how to leverage AI projects for financial gain. So let's get started. First, let's talk about what AI coding projects are. These are projects where you develop applications or systems using artificial intelligence techniques like machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. AI coding projects can range from simple chatbots to complex predictive models. AI coding projects are at the heart of many modern technologies, driving innovations in healthcare, finance, entertainment, and more. So why are AI coding projects so profitable? The demand for AI solutions is skyrocketing, and companies are willing to pay top dollar for skilled AI developers. By working on AI projects, you can create valuable products, offer in-demand services, and even sell your AI models or tools. Look at this market growth. As more industries adopt AI, the opportunities for profit in AI coding projects continue to expand. Now, let's get into how you can start your journey with AI coding projects. Whether you're a beginner or have some coding experience, diving into AI can be both exciting and challenging. But don't worry, we'll break it down into manageable steps. Here are some simple steps to get you started on the right path. Step 1. Learn the basics of AI and machine learning. Understanding the foundational concepts is crucial. Start with online courses on platforms like Coursera, Udacity, or edX. These platforms offer structured learning paths that cover everything from the basics to more advanced topics. Focus on languages like Python, which is widely used in AI development, and familiarize yourself with tools like TensorFlow and PyTorch. These tools are essential for building and training AI models. Step 2. Build your first project. Once you have a grasp of the basics, it's time to apply what you've learned. Choose a simple project like a chatbot or a recommendation system. These projects are great for beginners because they cover a wide range of AI concepts and are relatively easy to implement. This will help you understand the fundamentals of AI development, such as data pre-processing, model training, and evaluation. Step 3. Showcase your work. It's important to share your projects with the world. Create a GitHub repository to share your code and projects. GitHub is a popular platform for developers to collaborate and showcase their work. This not only builds your portfolio, but also attracts potential clients or employers. A well-maintained GitHub profile can serve as a resume for developers, demonstrating your skills and experience in AI development. Additionally, consider participating in AI coding workshops or hackathons. These events provide hands-on experience and the opportunity to network with other AI enthusiasts. Joining local or online AI communities can also be beneficial. Engaging with a community allows you to learn from others, share your knowledge, and stay updated with the latest trends and advancements in AI. Don't forget to keep learning. AI is a rapidly evolving field, and staying current with new research, tools, and techniques is essential. Reading books, following AI blogs, and subscribing to relevant YouTube channels can help you stay informed. Remember, the journey of learning AI is a marathon, not a sprint. Celebrate your small victories along the way and keep pushing forward. With dedication and persistence, you'll be able to build impressive AI projects and make a mark in this exciting field. Now, let's talk about how you can make money from your AI coding projects. With the rapid advancements in artificial intelligence, there are numerous opportunities to turn your coding skills into a profitable venture. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, the potential to monetize your AI projects is vast and varied. Here are a few strategies to get you started on your journey to monetizing your AI coding projects. Each of these methods can be tailored to fit your unique skills and interests, ensuring that you find the best fit for your expertise. Freelancing. One of the most accessible ways to start making money with your AI skills is through freelancing. Join platforms like Upwork or Freelancer and offer your AI development services. These platforms connect you with clients looking for specific AI solutions, ranging from simple automation scripts to complex machine learning models. Businesses are constantly looking for AI experts to build custom solutions. By freelancing, you can work on a variety of projects, gain valuable experience, and build a portfolio that showcases your capabilities. This not only helps you earn money, but also enhances your reputation in the AI community. Selling AI models. Another lucrative option is to create and sell AI models on platforms like TensorFlow Hub or Algorithmia. These platforms allow you to reach a global audience of developers and businesses in need of pre-trained models. You can earn royalties every time someone uses your model. This passive income stream can be particularly rewarding if you develop models that address common problems or are highly specialized. The more useful and unique your model, the higher the demand and potential earnings. Building SaaS products. If you have a knack for product development, consider creating a software as a service (SaaS) product using your AI skills. SaaS products are subscription-based services that provide ongoing value to users. For example, you could develop an AI-powered analytics tool that helps businesses make data-driven decisions, or a customer service chatbot that enhances user experience. The key is to identify a market need and create a solution that addresses it effectively. Offering online courses and tutorials. Sharing your knowledge can also be a profitable venture. Create and sell online courses on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. These platforms allow you to reach a wide audience of learners eager to acquire AI skills. Participating in AI competitions. Another exciting way to monetize your AI skills is by joining AI competitions on platforms like Kaggle. These competitions not only offer cash prizes but also provide a platform to showcase your skills to potential employers and collaborators. These competitions offer cash prizes and are a great way to sharpen your skills. Winning or even placing in these competitions can significantly boost your credibility and open doors to new opportunities. Plus, the experience gained from tackling real-world problems is invaluable. By exploring these various strategies, you can find the best ways to monetize your AI coding projects. Whether you choose freelancing, selling models, building SaaS products, offering courses, or participating in competitions, the key is to leverage your skills and creativity to create value. The world of AI is full of potential, and with the right approach, you can turn your passion for coding into a profitable career. Here are some tips to ensure your success in AI coding projects. Stay updated with the latest trends. AI is a fast-evolving field. Keep learning and stay updated with the latest research and developments. Subscribe to AI journals, follow influential AI researchers on social media, and attend conferences and webinars. This will help you stay ahead of the curve and be aware of the latest tools, techniques, and breakthroughs in the field. Continuous learning is key to staying relevant and competitive. Collaborate with others. Join AI communities and forums. Collaborating with other developers can provide new insights and ideas. Engaging with a diverse group of people can expose you to different perspectives and approaches to problem solving. Participate in hackathons, coding boot camps, and online forums like GitHub, Stack Overflow, and Reddit. Networking with peers can also lead to potential partnerships and job opportunities. Remember, two heads are often better than one. Focus on real-world problems. Work on projects that solve real-world problems. This increases the value of your projects and attracts more clients or users. Identify pressing issues in industries like healthcare, finance, or environmental science, and develop AI solutions to address them. Real-world applications not only make your work more impactful, but also demonstrate your ability to create practical and scalable solutions. This can significantly enhance your portfolio and credibility. Optimize your code. Ensure your code is efficient and well documented. This not only improves performance, but also makes it easier for others to understand and use. Write clean modular code and include comments to explain complex sections. Use version control systems like Git to manage your codebase effectively. Regularly review and refactor your code to eliminate redundancies and improve efficiency. Good documentation practices are essential for collaboration and future maintenance. By optimizing your code, you ensure that your AI models run faster and more efficiently, which is crucial for handling large data sets and complex computations. That wraps up our guide on how tech enthusiasts can profit from AI coding projects. I hope you found these tips helpful and feel inspired to start your own AI journey. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified about our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!